Okay, looks like I just bought this WEN jointer. It's model 6559 and I've just unboxed it. And anyway, this is what it looks like. I'm gonna start putting it together in a moment. Okay, first thing I gotta do is slide this piece onto the fence. And basically there's a couple of screws right there that kind of slide in here. And then eventually I'm going to tighten it. That's going to be the fence, and then this piece is going to go on the back over here. So I'm going to turn this thing around and start putting that on. Looking at the jointer from the back, I'm going to put this piece on, and I guess this fence is going to basically sit on that. That's how it's gonna go. Okay, so now the fence is on. This fence looks like I can loosen this, move this back and forth, move this up. And I gotta try to get it perfectly at a right angle. This actually can move up and down. Okay, so I gotta get that at a right angle. Okay, so it looks like this is perfectly squared now. Yep, it looks perfectly squared. Actually, the adjustments were quite simple. So, I'll make sure everything's tight. I'm going to fire it up. Okay, so this spring is going to go inside this dust bag here, and then I'm going to affix this to there, and then that's going to kind of catch on to the end of the spring here once I get it inside this bag. There's the dust bag. There's the jointer. I'm trying to decide where am I going to put this jointer, because this is my workshop, and as you can tell, pretty crowded in here. I'm actually going to move my tool chest outside of this shop now, and then that way I can spread out everything. There's my table saw, there's the miter saw. I bought this recently. I'm going to start making cutting boards. So I bought the jointer, and then the what is that? That's a planer, DeWalt planer, so I can flatten the boards properly. Not more than 10 minutes. It's very simple. Basically, these things right here, they're stoppers so that you can set this at 45 degrees. This fence will pop down 45 degrees, but right now I got it at 90 degrees, and everything's set from the back. Let me see, right there, that's would be 90 degrees, but I did check that with a right angle device, just to make sure this fence is at 90 degrees. There's two cutter heads right there. You can see the cutter head right there. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in, and now it's plugged in. I'm going to go ahead and fire it up. This jointer, I was able to pick this up directly from WEN for $235. They have two of these. The 6559 has actually a plastic base, and the 6560 I believe is the same model but with a metal base. But that's about $320 $20 somewhere around there, so you save quite a bit if you get the plastic base. And what's interesting is if you tried to buy this elsewhere, not directly from WEN, these are running $317 right now. So just go to the WEN website, and I selected free shipping for 5 to 7 days, and it came in 2 days. So the free shipping was very fast. Anyway, that's it. That's my new jointer. I'm actually going to pick up a lathe from WEN, and I'll do a review on that one too, or at least a unboxing and setup.